and the masters of the universe. I am Adam, Prince of Eternia and defender of the secrets of Castle Grayskull. This is Cringer, my fearless friend. Fabulous secret powers were revealed to me the day I held aloft my magic sword and said, "By the power of Grayskull, Cringer became the mighty Battle Cat, and I became He-Man, the most powerful man in the universe." Only 3 others share this secret. Our friends, the Sorceress, Man-at-Arms, and Orko. Together, we defend Castle Grayskull from the evil forces of Skeletor.
Here's our plan. Using our secret map, you will enter the royal palace and capture Queen Marlena. Cobra Khan will bring her to me while Merman guards the way. And Whiplash and Clawful will lead He-Man to my pet, Screech.
Where's Orko and Cringer? I'm hungry. It's lunchtime.
I don't know about Cringer, but Orko said he had a new magic trick to show us. I can hardly wait.
Oh, Father, sometimes I think you're jealous.
Jealous?
Lunchtime! Come on, lazy bones. Everyone's ready but you.
I'm coming.
No. You didn't do anything wrong. It's Cringer. He's just a big Fraidy Cat. Oh, I gotta go now. I'm late for lunch.
Now to the banquet room.
No, first we must take the queen.
Quiet, you fools. Follow me.
And now for my new magic trick.
I was afraid of this. Orko, don't do that.
It's empty. Fooled you, didn't I?
Very funny. Do I get some fruit juice to drink or not? That's enough.
Stop. I command you.
Some trick. Look at this mess.
Uh-oh. Well, I'll clean it up.
Thanks. I'll do it myself. I've had enough of your magic tricks for one day.
Where's Queen Marlena?
Taking a little nap, I think. Cringer, why don't you see if she's ready for lunch?
All right, but save some food for me.
Hey, it's all gone.
Thanks to your magic tricks. Queen Marlena, are you awake? She's still asleep. I guess I better wait till she wakes up. I hope Adam doesn't eat everything.
Let's see how they like my mist of sleepiness.
Oh, I'm so sleepy.
I'm sleepy, too. What's going on?
I don't know.
What's wrong? Oh, dear. I'm getting sleepy, too.
Doesn't sound like Adam or Man-at-Arms. I think I'll wait under the bed. Is that fog or smoke?
Merman and I will take the queen to Skeletor. You two must hide our trail and lead He-Man into Skeletor's trap. Screech will take care of him then.
This will fool He-Man.
Brilliant, Whiplash. Let's go.
Wake up, Adam.
What happened?
Oh, everyone fell asleep.
Where's Queen Marlena?
Cringer went to get her. He never came back.
We better check her room. She's gone. And Cringer, too. This is a job for He-Man.
By the power of Grayskull.
Now let's take a look outside.
He-Man! Oh, what's happening?
You were all put to sleep, and now the queen is gone.
Look, seaweed. I found this by the door.
There's more seaweed over there.
So, Merman and his friends were here. There's the trail. If we hurry, we can catch them.
We'll take the Dragon Walker.
Orko, you stay here. When King Randor wakes up, tell him what happened.
They get all the fun.
Oh, what a nice nap. Oh, the queen's gone. Oh, she must be eating. I hope there's some food left.
Don't worry, Cringer. He-Man's on the job with the Dragon Walker.
It's all my fault. I heard them coming, and I was afraid. I should have tried to stop them.
There are many of them. Look how many footprints there are. They went this way.
I shouldn't have hidden under the bed. Well, why am I afraid all the time? What's wrong with me? Wait, the queen wasn't taken this way.
How do you know?
My nose tells me. Queen Marlena was taken into the haunted forest.
But He-Man followed the other trail. Oh, no. Cringer and I will find her.
We will?
Yes, we will.
If anyone follows you, they'll have to cross the footbridge. I'll be waiting for them.
My nose tells me they took the queen down to the river.
Oh, they must have had a boat. We better cross over here.
I'm getting seasick.
Hold on. Run across. Hurry.
Run? It's all I can do just to hold on.
Everybody swim!
I hate water. I can't swim.
But you can float.
Hey, I can float. Help! I'm getting wet.
Oh, hush. A little bath never hurt anyone. I gotta stop them.
you!
Good work, merman. 2 down, 3 to go. Enter.
I have brought the queen.
I can see that. Welcome to my humble home, Queen Marlena.
I command you let me go, Skeletor. Now.
Oh, no, not yet. You're the bait for my trap.
He-Man will take care of you.
He-Man will take care of no one. I have a surprise for him. Behold! He-Man will never expect an attack from above. This time, Screech will bring him to me as my prisoner.
I think I swallowed half the river. And all of the fish.
Friend of merman.
You don't like my little ones? Well, they like you. Get them!
I think I'm afraid. Now I know I'm afraid. Like there's some real Fraidy Cat.
A little magic dust. And see? Nothing to be afraid of. Just because it was dark, you thought there'd be something after you. Don't be afraid of your own imagination.
You're right, Orko. Let's find Queen Marlena.
Hurry! They're getting away.
Queen Marlena, we've come to save you.
Orko, Cringer, I've never been so happy to see you two.
It's locked tight.
Well, Orko, don't you have any tricks up your sleeve?
Let me see. I had some keys somewhere. Oh, I said keys, not cheese. Well, one of these should work.
Oh, bless you, Orko. Listen, Skeletor is planning to trap He-Man. His bionic falcon will attack him from the air. We must stop it.
Oh, it's too dangerous for you. We've got to take you back to the palace.
But He-Man must be warned.
I'll warn him.
You?
Well, I got everyone into this mess in the first place. I've got to try to warn He-Man. I hope I can make it.
Dear, have more faith in yourself, Cringer. We have faith in you.
That's right. And just to make sure, I'm going to give you my magic charm for bravery and courage. There, I made it just for you, Cringer. Now you can be as brave as He-Man.
Thanks, Orko. I feel braver already.
Now, if we can only find our way out of here. Whiplash and Clawful are going inside. We'll never catch them now.
The gates are staying open. We can follow them.
I don't think so. It's too easy. Skeletor's up to something. He wants us to enter Snake Mountain. And I'd like to know why.
Is this tunnel ever going to end? I don't care what Orko says about darkness. I'm glad there's some light. I spoke too soon.
Who goes there?
Just me. I thought there was no such thing as ghosts.
You thought, Ronnie, how dare you trespass in Skeletor's domain? You must be punished.
You can't do anything to me. I have my charm of bravery and courage. Growl! Hey, it works!
Maybe a trap, He-Man, but I think we have to take our chances to save Queen Marlena.
I don't know. I have a funny feeling about this.
He-Man doesn't want to come into my lair. We'll have to take the battle to him. Prepare to attack. Screech, prepare to attack. You will surprise He-Man from above. Grab him in your claws and carry him to the Lake of Oblivion and drop him in.
I wish Battle Cat were here.
Are you ready, my darling Screech? Attack!
Charm, you better do your duty. I'm afraid of heights. That's He-Man down there. Way down there.
You're right, Man-at-Arms. We can wait no longer. Attack!
There's He-Man! Grab him!
It's Cringer.
He was warning us. Now we must save him.
You can't see now, Screech.
He-Man is on his way. We'd better get out of here.
You fools! I'll have to let Screech take care of He-Man. Something's the matter with Screech. It's that silly cat again. I'll have to take control myself. Screech, you stupid machine, come to your master. I command you.
I don't want to go back in there.
Doesn't anyone ever clean up around here? What a mess.
Get them, you fools!
Cool off, merman.
Would you mind holding this for me, Clawful?
I'll give you a taste of my tail, He-Man.
No thanks, Whiplash. Let's tie up some loose ends, Whiplash. See you later, alligator.
Take this, He-Man.
Now you take it, Skeletor.
Ouch! I'm getting out of here!
Where is Queen Marlena? We must find her.
Oh, she's safe. Orko took her back to the palace.
Well, then let's join her.
Cringer, come forth. For outstanding acts of bravery, I award you this medal.
Oh, thanks, King Randor, but I really don't deserve it. I wouldn't have been brave at all if it wasn't for the charm of bravery and courage that Orko gave me. Huh? It's gone. Oh, I lost it. Oh, don't be mad at me, Orko.
That's all right, Cringer. It wasn't a real charm anyway. I just made it up to make you feel better.
You mean it was a fake?
He means it didn't work. Sounds like Orko's magic, all right.
But don't you see, Cringer, you were brave, all by yourself. And this medal proves it.
Well, I guess we won't be able to call you Fraidy Cat anymore, Cringer.
I guess not. Why, with my new medal, I'll be the bravest animal in all of Eternia. Yeah!
Courage and fear are two important instincts.
And we should pay attention to both.
Sometimes being afraid is just as important as being brave.
I guess I was a double fraidy cat.
How's that, Cringer?
'Cause I was afraid of being afraid.
I see. Well, how do you feel now?
Oh, much better. Now I'm just afraid of being brave.
Sometimes you just can't win. See you all next time.